Going to studio now actually costs you some money, but right now what you are seeing right now is not Snap in any studio. I actually do all of these things with three just simple tools right now, with just three simple tools, and I'm going to be sharing the tools with you right now in this video that you can use to generate these three AI tools you can use to generate these pictures you are seeing right now. First, I don't want the video to be so long. We need to head straight into our Pinterest. This is my own Pinterest right now. You can see there are a lot of images right now on Pinterest. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to put in the one I want. I'm just going to search for the one I want, just for us to create our own image. What you are going to do right now is search for Photoshoot. Just search for Photoshoot inspiration. Yes, search for Photoshoot inspiration, and then right now you can see Photoshoot inspiration and something else is going to appear right now. You can see there are a lot of Photoshoot inspiration right now. I'm going to be choosing the one I want to use right now. You can see the result I actually generated in the beginning of this video. That is exactly what you are going to generate. And if you are also a lady, you can also generate different things. Just depend on the type of result you want. So what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to be getting inspiration from Pinterest. So Pinterest is the number one application we are using. It's the number one tools we are using to generate the type of image that we want. Okay, now what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm just going to come right here. I'm just going to find the image I want to use to actually generate my own image. I'm going to get ideas from here. So I'm still searching for image. I think this one is not matching, so okay, let's keep searching. Okay, let me first generate for a lady. I think I would love to go for this woman right now. So what I'm just going to do is to save the image right now, and then once the image is downloaded, I'm just going to head on back straight into another AI tools that we are using, which is ChatGPT. Okay, it's the number two tools we are using right now is ChatGPT. Now there's something you're going to tell ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to generate you a prompt. Now come on right now, and then what you need to do is to upload the image that we downloaded from Pinterest. Now click on upload right now, click on photo. Once you click on photo, you can allow access, because I just downloaded this AI app, my own ChatGPT app right now. I do use the website before. So once I upload the image right now, all I need to do is to tell ChatGPT this thing. I say give me an image description that describe this image except the face. Except the face. Now there is what I'm going to be doing right now, except the face. All I need to do is to click on the search button, and it's going to generate me images that actually look exactly the same. A well-dressed woman is posed confidently against a dark plain background. She's wearing a tailored, I don't need to be reading all of this thing right now. I want this video to be very very fast and easy to navigate. Okay, what I'm going to be doing right now is to head on back to I think I don't like this one. This one is actually for woman, right? So let's generate for man right now. So what I'm going to be doing right now is to quickly head on back to Pinterest and then generate another, and then download another image of man. So you can see that it's actually for everybody right now. If you're a man, you can use it for a woman, and you can also search for the style, for the type of image you want. Okay, what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm just going to come on right here. I'm going to download this guy image right now, then click on download, and then head on back to ChatGPT. Okay, so download it, and then I go back to ChatGPT. So this is ChatGPT. I'm just going to upload it, just the same thing. Give me an image description that describe this image except the face. The same thing from with the first one right now, and it's going to tell me the image description. Is going to give me the prompt that I'm going to use for the third tools that we are using right now. So here is the thing right now. You can see give me an image description that describes this image except the face. The same prompt. So if you're still watching this video up to this moment, and yes, this is your first time coming across this channel, you haven't subscribed, make sure you do right now. Click on that subscribe button and then turn notification bell icon, so whenever I create video like this, you get notified immediately. What I do on this channel is I create video on about AI, and I also create video on digital marketing, how you can also make money online for yourself. So what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to head to the other app, and if you haven't liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Now the third app right now is called Ideogram. It's actually a website, ideogram.ai. Now all you need to do is to head on back to Ideogram, continue with your Google or with any other option you want to actually use to sign up right now. Now once you get to Ideogram, it's easy. Click on the elements button beside your profile and then select character. Okay, this is stylist character, so select character. Once you click on character, you click on upload. Now I want this video to be very fast, that's why I'm explaining everything fast. You click on upload. Now once you click on upload, you actually have to upload your image. Now there is the type of image you need to use right now. Now upload your image. Now once you are snapping your image, make sure you are snapping it in a plain background, right? Make sure you are snapping it in a plain background where your face will be able to be highlighted, okay? Because what we need right here is just your face to create image, okay? What I'm doing right now is for me to click on use character, and we can see start from template and use character. I'm not going to click on this one that says use character. And once I click on use character right now, what I'm going to do right now is to select the size. Okay, now the size matter because we're actually creating image. We are creating image for let's say birthday shoot. Okay, I'm just going to click on aspect ratio. So under the aspect ratio, you just need to go under portrait. We are not using landscape, okay, we are using portrait. So you just need to click on this 9:16, right? So let's just click on 9:16. I think this one will be okay and better. 9:16. We are not using 16.9, or we are using 9:16 because what we are doing right here is actually a birthday shoot. Okay, birthday shoot. Okay, so what I'm going to do right here is come right now. Once I click on the image, I'll click on edit mask. Now this is important. Edit mask, we're only trying to bring out your face. We're only trying to bring out your face, and if you are not trying to bring out your face, you can do anything that suits you right now. But to get the exact same result I get from the beginning of this video, here is what we are doing. Bring out the face like that, and then go back to ChatGPT, copy the same prompt that ChatGPT generates. A stylish dressed man standing against smooth. I don't need to read all that to you. Just copy it, and then once you copy it, come on back right here and then paste it right in here. Click on generate inside this one, and then click on the generate button right up here. Once you click on this generate button right up here, it will start generating for you instantly. If you find this video very useful, make sure you drop a comment down there and say this video is awesome, or make sure you drop any positive comment right there. This motivates me to create more video. They can see your image are ready. If you are signing up on this Ideogram, just go for the free plan. Okay, you can start using the free plan for yourself. Now click on this one that says generation complete. You're going to see all the images this generates, how awesome those images are. Now what you're going to do right now is to click on the image and then download it one by one, or you pick the one you want to use and then download. You can see different style, different posture. Okay, you can see this one right now is standing, and everything. You can just go for the one you want right now. So if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, make sure you do subscribe, turn notification bell icon on, and then make sure you like this video. Now if you actually come right, let's say we want to so what I'm going to do right is I'm going to download the one that I want to use. Let me just click on SD quality, because the SD quality is for the free version, but the HD, which is 100%, is for the paid one. So we can just use the SD quality and then click on save. Once you click on save, you then go back to your normal file. You can go, I don't know the type of phone you are using, but it works on all phones and all system. Okay, what I'm going to be doing right now is, so let me view all of the image for you just to see the result, how incredible the result is. Okay, how incredible the result is. So if you want to generate this type of image, you can follow every single process I followed in this video in order for you to also get this same type of results. Follow every single process in order for you to also get this same type of results. So you can see this is the first image. You can scroll and then check how all those images look like. You can see right now everything look like. So you can see, check how everything look like. This is it right now. You can see everything is looking good and moderate. You want to generate the same image, use what I use, do what I do right now, you're going to get the exact same result. So thank you for watching my video, guys. Get the first time you're coming across my channel this third time, make sure you do subscribe, turn notification bell icon on, and then if you have not liked this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. All this motivate me to create more video for you guys. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in the very next video. Peace.